5 fruits that protect eyes and repair vision. Did you know the secret to sharper vision could be sitting right in your fruit bowl? From vibrant oranges to lush blueberries, the right fruits can help protect your eyes and even repair your vision. If you're tired of squinting or want to keep those eyes healthy for the long haul, this video is for you. Stick around, because number 3 might just blow your mind and change the way you look at your snacks forever. Don't blink, let's dive into the 5 fruits that are your eyes' new best friends. 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are often referred to as a superfood due to their high antioxidant content. The primary antioxidants in blueberries are anthocyanins, which are responsible for their rich, dark color and have significant benefits for the eyes. These powerful antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress, which can damage the eyes and lead to conditions like macular degeneration and cataracts. Studies have shown that anthocyanins can improve night vision, protect the retina from oxidative damage, and even help the eye's blood vessels function more effectively. A study published in Advances in Nutrition highlighted that regular consumption of blueberries can improve visual function and slow the progression of age-related visual decline. Blueberries are rich in vitamin C, a nutrient that plays a critical role in maintaining the health of the eye's blood vessels. Vitamin C helps protect the eyes from harmful UV rays and free radicals, which can cause damage to the lens and retina. This nutrient acts as an antioxidant, helping to prevent cataract formation and macular degeneration, 2 common age-related eye conditions. A 2022 study published in Investigative Ophthalmology Visual Science found that anthocyanins in blueberries can help reduce retinal inflammation and oxidative damage in animals, potentially leading to improved eye function. Review of multiple studies conducted by the National Eye Institute found that a diet rich in antioxidants, including those found in blueberries, can lower the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, AMD. How to incorporate blueberries into your diet. Blueberries can be consumed in various ways, from fresh to frozen, and can be added to smoothies, yogurt, cereal, or salads. Regular consumption of about a cup of fresh blueberries daily can significantly benefit eye health. 2. Oranges. Oranges are another powerhouse fruit for eye health, primarily due to their high content of vitamin C. Vitamin C is a well-known antioxidant that helps protect the eyes from UV radiation and free radicals, which contribute to eye aging and cataract formation. Oranges are one of the richest sources of vitamin C. This essential vitamin is important for maintaining the health of the blood vessels in the eyes and can prevent cataract formation by neutralizing free radicals that damage eye tissues. In addition to vitamin C, oranges contain flavonoids, which also possess antioxidant properties. These compounds help reduce inflammation and can prevent the damage caused by oxidative stress, potentially protecting against retinal diseases. Although not as high as in vegetables like carrots, oranges do contain some beta-carotene, which is a precursor to vitamin A. Vitamin A plays a critical role in maintaining healthy vision, particularly in low-light conditions. A study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition concluded that a diet rich in vitamin C from fruits like oranges is associated with a lower risk of cataracts, especially in older adults. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition published a study in 2003 that found high intake of vitamin C from fruits like oranges was linked to a significantly reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, which is a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. How to incorporate oranges into your diet. Oranges can be consumed fresh, as juice, or added to smoothies and salads. It's recommended to eat 1 medium-sized orange daily to meet your vitamin C needs for eye health. 3. Papaya. Papaya is another tropical fruit that offers remarkable benefits for eye health. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and carotenoids, papayas help reduce inflammation, prevent oxidative damage, and support overall vision. Papayas are an excellent source of vitamin A, a key nutrient in maintaining good vision, particularly for night vision and preventing dry eyes. Vitamin A deficiency is one of the leading causes of blindness in developing countries, making this fruit particularly valuable in areas where dietary vitamin A intake is low. Papayas contain beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Beta-carotene acts as a powerful antioxidant that can help prevent cataracts, age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and other vision problems. These carotenoids, found in papaya, are essential for maintaining the health of the macula, the part of the retina responsible for central vision. They protect the eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of AMD and other age-related vision issues. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that the carotenoids in papaya, particularly lutein and zeaxanthin, have significant protective effects on the eyes, reducing oxidative stress and protecting retinal cells from degeneration. A research study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition confirmed that increasing dietary intake of beta-carotene from fruits like papayas helps reduce the risk of developing cataracts and slows the progression of AMD. How to incorporate papaya into your diet. Papaya can be consumed fresh, in smoothies, or as a topping for salads. Eating about a cup of papaya daily can provide substantial benefits for your vision and eye health. For kiwi, kiwi is another nutrient-packed fruit that supports healthy vision. This small, green fruit is an excellent source of vitamin C, antioxidants, and other nutrients that benefit the eyes in a variety of ways. Like oranges, kiwi is a rich source of vitamin C, which helps strengthen the immune system and protect eye tissues from oxidative damage. Vitamin C is also involved in collagen production, which is essential for maintaining the health of the eye's cornea and blood vessels. Kiwi is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two important carotenoids that accumulate in the retina and act as natural antioxidants. These carotenoids filter harmful blue light and protect the retina from damage caused by free radicals. Reducing the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration, kiwi contains vitamin E, which plays a role in protecting the eyes from oxidative damage and supporting the overall health of the retina. A study published in Investigative Ophthalmology Visual Science found that diets high in kiwi and other fruits containing lutein and zeaxanthin are linked to a reduced risk of developing age-related macular degeneration, AMD. A report in the Journal of Nutrition confirmed that kiwi, with its high levels of antioxidants, supports the eye's natural defense mechanisms and helps maintain optimal vision health throughout life. How to incorporate kiwi into your diet. Kiwis can be eaten fresh or added to smoothies, salads, or yogurt. Eating 1 to 2 kiwis daily can be a delicious and easy way to support eye health. 5. Strawberries. Strawberries are not only delicious but are also loaded with antioxidants and nutrients that can help protect and repair your vision. These fruits provide a significant amount of vitamin C and other compounds that contribute to eye health. Like other citrus fruits, strawberries are rich in vitamin C, which helps combat oxidative stress and support the health of the blood vessels in the eyes. Vitamin C also reduces the risk of cataracts and slows the progression of age-related macular degeneration, AMD. In addition to vitamin C, strawberries are packed with polyphenol and flavonoids that possess anti-inflammatory properties and can protect the eyes from retinal degeneration and other vision problems. A lesser-known compound found in strawberries, ellagic acid, has been shown to have antioxidant properties that help protect the retina from damage due to oxidative stress and environmental factors. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry showed that the polyphenol in strawberries can help reduce inflammation and prevent oxidative damage in the eyes, reducing the risk of conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. Research from the National Institutes of Health has shown that regular consumption of strawberries and other fruits high in vitamin C can help protect against oxidative stress and lower the risk of developing eye diseases like AMD. How to incorporate strawberries into your diet. Strawberries can be eaten fresh, added to smoothies, used in desserts, or incorporated into salads. A handful of strawberries daily can significantly benefit your eye health.